Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me NOKIA X10, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up and how to install free VPN on this device. Firstly, open your Play Store and find here TurboVPN application. Click Install. Then open your web browser and check how websites see your location without VPN. So just find 2ap.io website, and as you can see I'm in Poland, it's true, but now open TurboVPN, click Agree. Click on the cross on the left top corner and click on the caret on the center of your screen. And then click on the cross on the on the right top corner, and now just reload to ap.io web page to see how websites see our location now. And as you can see, now we are in United Kingdom. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.